Hello, paper crafters. Amy here with G45's showing off our latest collector's edition Love Notes. Look how gorgeous this collector's edition. Not only are you going to get all 8 of the double-sided sheets, you're going to get 3 of each of those goodies, plenty to create lots of goodies using this Love Notes collection, as well as a sticker set that is going to be one for the 8x8s as well as the 12x12s. And so in this collection, let's just show off these gorgeous papers. The signature page, of course, is setting the theme for this beautiful line. You have to just love how those red roses are intertwined with the musical instruments and notes and these gorgeous sayings that you'll see throughout the collection. This collection is perfect for so many things, celebrating romance, perfect for Valentine's Day, wedding, anniversary, or none of those things at all. If you just love beautiful lines like I do, this paper is one of my favorites. How can you not just love those red roses? I am showing off the 12x12 papers, which are, we also have in the 8x8, like I mentioned, and those are just gonna be the scaled down version, perfect for those smaller scale kind of projects. This fun border and cut apart page is great for creating cards and adding on these really fun features onto your projects. This is also great for any of those music lovers. How much do we love this piano key page? So fun. And on the back side, you have some little hearts and music notes. Love these little music gives a soul to the universe. So many fun sayings that are great for adding on to cards or creating an album for a loved one. So definitely check this out. It's available on our website at G45papers.com while supplies last, of course. And you can also, go to your local G45 store that carries our products and grab it from them as well. And so that is the 12x12 pack. We also have a kit using the Love Notes collection as well as our Imagine collection, and it gives all the goodies to create this gorgeous album, as well as the instructions on how to do it too. So for any of you that are looking for some creative inspiration, definitely check out our kit that is available. Or you can, if you're more of a card maker, you can also get the card kit, which has 3 Love Notes cards with this really fun pop-up feature. How fun is that? And those are available on our kit page on our website. All right. So thanks for joining me and have a great time paper crafting.